Today we're going to Underwood Family Farm! Try to catch me.
Can I sit on Santa's lap? Please?
No.
Please?
Only kids can sit on his lap, Daddy.
Okay.
We're going to go pick vegetables.
Yeah! Let's look. Let's look more.
On the wide, we're gonna go see like...
Almost ate my finger. You see? And then... Look, guys! That's big, giant snowman. Oh my God, Natada fan. Yeah. You are such a little sweetheart cow. I'm in my show now.
Petting the
These
guinea pig.
guinea pigs are my favorite part. He looks like a skunk, but he's cute.
Oh no, you're trying to punch it? Be careful, you might punch the phone. I want to get in the pumpkin wide. Can I come with you?
No.
Is Daddy's show? Oh, hey, wait, I thought it was mine. I thought it was Daddy. I didn't know it was just for you.
It seems like I'm going to...
And Zoe might show up. We never know.